You don't need expensive feed additives to double your broiler weight gains. It's true. The poultry industry has been conditioned to believe that only costly commercial supplements and complex feed formulas can significantly boost broiler performance. But what if I told you that a common, affordable byproduct like molasses could be a game changer? Could one simple tweak in your broiler management improve weight gain, feed efficiency, and profitability without fancy drugs or expensive feed blends? Let's explore the science, the practice, and how molasses may just be your new secret weapon. Hey farmers, as you enjoy this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical tips on raising faster growing broilers, boosting egg production in layers, getting bigger and stronger eggs, and keeping your chicks healthier, all using natural, organic methods. Our expert insights on feeding, disease prevention, and cost-saving strategies will take your farm to the next level. Subscribe now and turn on notifications so you never miss out. Now, let's get back to today's video. The hidden power of molasses. Molasses, the thick, dark syrup left over after sugar extraction from sugarcane or sugar beet, is often viewed as a mere livestock feed filler. But recent research suggests otherwise. In broiler chickens, molasses may play a significant role not only in enhancing growth performance, but also improving feed efficiency and stress resilience, especially in harsh conditions. But here's the problem. Despite growing evidence, the practical use of molasses in broiler systems is still undervalued or misapplied due to myths, mismanagement, or misunderstanding of its benefits and appropriate dosing. Now let's get into the data, dosing, and do's and don'ts of using molasses in your broiler operation. What the science says. Let's look at some key scientific findings. A study in 2011 evaluated different levels of molasses. They had 4 groups of molasses dosages they experimented with as follows: 30 grams, 50 grams, and 70 grams per liter of drinking water. Broilers receiving 50 to 70 grams per liter of water had significantly higher body weight, improved protein efficiency ratio, and better feed-to-gain ratio compared to the control group. Another study in 2010 showed that stepwise molasses dosing starting at 30 grams per liter and rising to 75 grams per liter enhanced both weight and conformation traits like keel length and breast width markers of carcass quality. During high heat stress, molasses supplementation of 5 to 7 milliliter per liter improved weight gain, red blood cell counts, and antioxidant status critical for broiler survival in tropical environments. Using date molasses improved dressing percentage and breast muscle yield, key economic traits for meat production. When combined with vitamin C, otherwise known as ascorbic acid, performance was even better. How to use molasses in your broiler operation. Step 1. Choose the right type of molasses. There are 2 types of molasses. Cane molasses and beet molasses are both effective, but ensure it's free from chemical residues or spoilage. Fermented molasses, like molasses kefir, has added probiotic effects and may improve feed conversion ratio and gut health. Step 2. Dosing guidelines.
More often, your flock might be getting sick, your hens might be producing less eggs, and your birds might not be growing faster as you'll desire. Worry not, we have created an ebook with more than 49 natural organic herbs that will ensure a faster growth for your birds, ensure that your hens lay more eggs, and ensure that your birds have an enhanced health through treating diseases and pest eradication. These herbs ranges from simple and available products such as garlic and ginger to moringa, mango leaves, and pawpaw. This ebook explains each natural product or herb using a very simple layout. Background information, biochemical composition, benefits for the poultry birds, preparation, and finally inclusion levels or dosages. So you'll be able to apply the information even if you're a beginner farmer. On top of that, you will get free consultations to help you achieve your desired goals. Get the ebook using the link in the description of this video or scan the QR code on the screen right now. Are you ready to make more money farming poultry organically?
Start with a conservative concentration, then adjust based on tolerance. In starter phase from day 0 to 14 days, add 30 grams per liter of drinking water. In grower phase from day 15 to 28 days, add 50 grams per liter of drinking water. In finisher phase from day 29 onwards, add up to 70 grams per liter of drinking water. Please administer molasses-infused water during the cooler hours of the day and monitor for stool consistency. Overdosing can lead to loose droppings and wet litter. Step 3. Administration strategy. 1. Mix freshly each day to prevent fermentation. 2. Administer intermittently like 3 to 5 days per week rather than continuously to avoid overconditioning the gut. 3. Ensure proper drinker hygiene as molasses increases the risk of biofilm buildup in watering systems. Step 4. Monitor performance. Track the following: weekly body weight, feed intake, water intake, litter moisture, and feed conversion ratio. If birds are gaining weight without an increase in feed intake, you're winning. What molasses really does. 1. It boosts energy through simple sugars like sucrose, glucose, and fructose. Molasses provides a quick energy source that spares protein for growth. 2. It supplies minerals like potassium, calcium, magnesium, and iron, which support metabolism and muscle function. 3. It improves palatability by improving water and feed taste, encouraging higher intake. 4. It relieves stress. Its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects help during environmental or nutritional stress periods. Try this tomorrow. Mix 30 g of molasses per liter of clean drinking water and offer it to your broilers for 3 consecutive days starting from day 10. Observe water intake and weekly weight gain. You'll be surprised. Simple doesn't mean ineffective. Often, the most powerful solutions are the ones hiding in plain sight. As a poultry consultant and veterinarian, I've walked through thousands of farms. The ones that succeed long-term aren't always the most high-tech. They're the ones that understand their birds, their feed, and their numbers, and who apply science simply and consistently. A few cautions and final tips. 1. Litter management. Molasses increases water intake. Ensure litter is dry and absorbent to avoid caking and ammonia buildup. 2. Disease monitoring. Don't confuse molasses-related wet droppings with enteric disease. Always investigate if changes are sudden. 3. Economic analysis. Molasses is cheap, but still calculate its cost per gram of live weight gain. In most cases, the return on investment is highly favorable. 4. Supplement synergy. Consider combining molasses with vitamin C, electrolytes, or probiotics during high-stress periods or vaccinations. Should you try molasses? Yes, and not just because it's cheap, but because it works. Used properly, molasses is a powerful natural performance enhancer. Backed by both field experience and published studies, it can improve broiler growth, carcass yield, and feed efficiency, while reducing stress impacts. You don't need to break the bank to break your records. Sometimes, all it takes is a bucket of molasses and a little curiosity. If you're managing broilers and haven't tried molasses yet, now is the time. Start small, monitor closely, and scale smartly. You might just be the next farmer others talk about. He doubled growth with one ingredient? Still have questions? Feel free to ask. That's what I'm here for. In the meantime, click on the video on the screen to learn how to make your own broiler chicken feeds.